Hey everyone, it's Dr. Rick, and I'm going to be offering you a course this weekend for just Weekend Warrior Wrap-Up. So essentially all I'm going to be doing is offering a Zoom presentation for one case. I've got an interesting case this week, so if you get the Zoom link down below, it'll be to Saturday's 11 o'clock to 11:30 presentation. We're going to be doing it this week on a hypertensive patient that I met. And listen, hypertension is all over. A lot of people will have it as they get older. I have young people who get it when they're in their 30s and 40s. Some moms will also get it when they're pregnant. But bottom line is that we don't just ignore it. And maybe the parameters and the protocol are a little bit strict with regards to the medical community. But my contention is that you can reverse this without having to go on medicines. If you use this medicine, this is a pharmacy. And those of you who don't exercise, you're missing out. Whether you do cardio or resistance training, it's one avenue to reverse disease. And if you're trying to get off of your pills, get away from the stent that's coming, and you're not taking advantage of this pharmacy, you're missing out on something that's really cool. Because I guarantee you one thing, if you're lucky enough to turn around the disease process or halt it with a prescription or with a procedure, if you don't change anything, 5-10 years down the line, you'll be back in the same doctor's office with more stuff. So I implore you to try to think about some form of personalized exercise. Now when you go to a gym, if you go by yourself and you just rely on high school mnemonics or techniques that the gym coach taught you, in my school it was Mr. Crosby and Mr. Ungaro. And God bless them for what they were doing, but there's other things that you can apply, especially if you have medical problems. So please come to the Zoom conference on Saturday. Come and see me at the Endorphin Effect or in my office, Hoffman Estates, or virtually on my website. And I'll see you at the next video. Thanks for watching.